YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. So in today's video, we're gonna do a crown session. We're gonna work on our crown pomade. It's black Jamaican castor oil. Let's get it. We're gonna actually be using the toothbrush today, right? So go ahead and get you a toothbrush and we're just gonna work on the crown. We're just looking at those spots like right here and right here on this side where it's kind of just lighter. It's not really connecting properly with the crown. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. So we're just gonna go straight down right here with it. All right, y'all can see. Y'all can really see it for real, okay? It's coming right here. And I hope y'all week been going good. Have not uploaded in about 2 weeks. But, you know, we locked in, fellas. Let's go. So let's get right here again. And let's hop right up here. Let me turn this for y'all. Here we go. And this, you know, was recommended by one of my subscribers to really just work on this. All right, so we're just gonna comb it out. So I'm just combing it out first, showing y'all where I'm gonna hit it at. So I'm gonna just really just come back down here again. All right. And then let's hit right here. So it's just kind of random here. It's just a couple of spots randomly. So yeah, the first thing you do is you want to comb it out. After we comb it out, I'm going to go ahead and apply my pomade, and then we're going to comb it again. Right? And then once we comb it again, okay, we're gonna be good. So yeah, just hit that part right there. And then hit right here. What you wanna do is, so after you combed it out with the toothbrush, go ahead and get your pomade and apply it towards your crown. Now this method works really, really good because when your crown is laid down all the way, right, your waves lay down as well. The crown is the center piece to your waves, and with a good crown comes good waves. All right, so shit right here, and y'all can see that this is just laying in so good. This pomade is great. All right. So I want to lock in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, let's get it. All right, so now let's go on this side, right? Let's just go ahead and get it all in there. Love this stuff, man. This stuff is amazing. Right, so make sure you, first thing you want to do is you want to comb it out first. Comb your crown out first, right? Comb it out. And once you comb it out, right, you want to go ahead and apply your pomade. It's a real simple, easy video game. For real. And if you see dark spots or like super yellowish spots with the pomade, just keep going in that direction with it and it'll go right away. After I brush it down with my finger, I usually use my Torino and just hit the corners. Nice and smooth. Really easy, gang. Real easy. You can hit the top here. And hit this side as well. And again, shout out to that subscriber that told me about the pomade. I really never use pomades, I just use oils, but pomade looking clean though. All right, let's go and hit this side. All right, let's hit right here. And the last angle, we're just gonna hit right here. Gang, so this is my last and final step. So after I brushed it down, add the pomade, I like to go ahead and add a little bit of oil here. So let's just add some oil here. Y'all can just see what it's doing here. Oil just going right in there. So we're gonna put some right here, a little bit right here. So we just drop it in there. oil just really, really helps also lay the crown area down. Right, so now just go in with your finger. Brush it down nice and smooth. Let's get it. If you're enjoying the video, smash that like button. Let's go. Locked in for real. Let's get it. So sit right here. And let's go back around right here. So if you see these spots right here where the oil has to get in, just use your finger, add a little bit of pressure, and just go right down. And same thing right here. That I'm using currently for this year. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little work, man. Y'all can see how it's looking. Y'all let me know how it's popping. Did I do good? Did I do bad? Let me know what's up. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, gang, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, hit that like button. Peace.